From Ghaziabad, while the NCR region has also issued the advisory, in fact the national capital is preparing to deal with the surge of the COVID-19 cases is also important. And on that note, Arzu has joined with us live on the broadcast. Arzu, what are you picking up? What is the Delhi Health Department, Delhi Health Minister, and in fact when we talk about the national capital, the transmission often go unnoticed because at this point of time there are lesser ways to understand what actually has caused the larger level transmission. What are you picking up as far as the arrangements and the preparations in the national capital has been made to deal with this rise in the cases?
Well, definitely, it is very important to look after the national capital because there has been a lot of, global movement here in the national capital. And as of now, if you look at the data, Delhi has now over 100 active cases with the 104 people currently infected from the COVID-19. And as we talk about the preparation, Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has assured the public that the hospitals are prepared to handle the situation and any surge in the COVID-19 cases, that COVID-19 is now more like a viral flu. This is what she has in fact said in the statement, and CM described the infection as seasonal in nature and urged people not to panic. The advisory has also been issued. The government, Delhi government has issued an advisory to ensure the hospitals are be ready with the adequate bed for patients, sufficient oxygen supply, also availability of the necessary medicines and access to the COVID-19 vaccine. The government is taking a step to manage the situation, and people are advised to follow the precautionary measures to prevent the spread of the virus. In fact, we heard, the Delhi former AIIMS director, and he in fact mentioned, he clearly said there is no need to panic. In fact, in the coming time, the number of cases might increase in India, but yes, this can be a lot of things behind it, but there is no need to panic. You just need to take a lot of care of yourself, stay hydrated, drink like juice and watery food, and also
So in fact, on that note, let's also take an update from the other states where the COVID-19 surge case has been tremendous in the recent increase and spike, while Belly Thomas in Kerala is also